Students, we were studying our chapter number 8, that is materials and solution. So today we will continue the same chapter, but before starting the new topic, let's take a quick revision. In our last lecture, we studied about soluble substances. So what are soluble substances? Substances that soluble in water are called soluble substances. For example, solids like sugar, salt and baking soda, soap, orange juice, and gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide are soluble in water, means they can dissolve in water. So substances that soluble in water are called soluble substances, and insoluble substances are just opposite to soluble substances, means substances that do not dissolve in water are called insoluble substances. For example, chalk powder, oil, iron, glass pieces and sand are insoluble in water. When we add this substance in water, then it cannot dissolve in water. So insoluble substances do not dissolve in water. You know what? Paints, dyes, pigments and vitamin A, D, E and K are also insoluble in water, but they are soluble in oil, means they can dissolve in oil but they are not soluble in water. They are insoluble substances, they cannot dissolve in water. Now our next topic is making a solution. So how can we make a solution? You know what? About 2/3 of Earth's surface is covered with water, means हमारी अर्थ का जो 2/3 पार्ट है वो वाटर से कवर्ड है. एंड वाटर इज ऑल्सो नोन एज यूनिवर्सल सॉल्वेंट. यूनिवर्सल सॉल्वेंट मीन्स मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ सब्सटेंसेस कैन डिजॉल्व इन वाटर. सो वाटर इज ऑल्सो नोन एज यूनिवर्सल सॉल्वेंट. एंड यू नो वॉट? When we add sugar into water, then we get a sugar solution. So it is a uniform solution, means we cannot see solute, means we cannot see sugar in this solution by our naked eye. means जो उसमें solute का distribution है वो uniform है, उसमें properly जो solute है वो पूरे solution में distributed है. And you know what? We also prepare solution by using other solvents, means we can use also other solvents in the place of water, such as alcohol, benzene, ether, etc. And now we will read aqueous solution and non-aqueous solution. So first one is aqueous solution. Aqueous solution means a solution in which the solvent is water, means the solution in which we are using water as a solvent is known as aqueous solution. Here aqueous word represents water. Aqueous word used for the water, means in this solution we are using water as a solvent. When we add sugar into water or when we add salt into water, so we get a solution in which water is present as a solvent. So both this solution are aqueous solution. In equations or in reaction, AQ word is represent aqueous, in which water is present in a form of a solvent. Now the next non-aqueous solution, in which water is absent. The solution obtained by dissolving a solute in any solvent other than water, means here we are not using water as a solvent. So the solution in which water is not present as a solvent is called non-aqueous solution. Non-aqueous means without water. Like if a solute is dissolved in any solvent such as benzene, alcohol, ether, carbon tetrachloride, acetone, so the solution obtained is called a non-aqueous solution. Non-aqueous means without water. Here we are not using water as a solvent. Some examples of non-aqueous solution. First one is solution of iodine in alcohol. It is also known as tincture of iodine. Tincture of iodine. And solution of iodine in carbon tetrachloride. So first one is tincture of iodine. tincture of iodine. It is also known as iodine tincture or weak iodine. It is an antiseptic. It is usually 2 to 7% of elemental iodine along with potassium iodide or sodium iodide. So tincture solution are characterized by the presence of alcohol, in which alcohol is present as a solvent. So it is a non-aqueous solution. So now I think you know very well about aqueous solutions and non-aqueous solutions. So here I am giving you two questions. What is an aqueous solution? Give example and define tincture of iodine. So complete these questions fast and revise the complete chapter. We will start our next chapter in our next lecture. Take care.